ending sounds. The ending is day. Played, cleaned, snowed, closed, filled, stayed, brushed, laughed, paused, watched, danced, walked, did, waited, painted, shouted, wanted, landed, departed. The ending is case, snacks, spots, stamps, doors, bees, animals, things, is, horses, dishes, surprises, boxes. One day, Monday to Fridays, gets up, walks to the station, wait for the train, gets off at the first stop, walks to office, sits in the office, has lunch, sits in the office, walks to the station, comes home, thinks one day. Saturday and Sundays, gets up late, does washing, goes shopping, comes home, watches TV, goes out, eats out, comes home, watches TV, thinks one day. One day, gets up early, go to the station, wait for the train, doesn't, gets off at the first stop, doesn't, gets off at the fifth stop, stay on train. Where does it go? Watch through the window.